Brian DiMambro here. We're looking now at a very scarce late 19th century lithograph map with full, beautiful original hand color. This map was published in Tacoma, Washington, 1891, but it was it was printed in San Francisco by Britton and Ray. The details on this map are worth noting. There are tiny little schematic city plans, for instance, like Seattle here. Over here, we see gold and silver mines. There's a copper mine here. Various mountains, like Mount Rainier, have the height associated with them. There are the railroad lines shown with all of the stops. There's Olympia. Here's Gray's Harbor over here near Aberdeen. And this very scarce map is got a few condition issues, but it's printed on a flexible bond paper. It has some browning along the fold lines right over on this side, but the paper is still structurally sound, and the map does fold up into the folder, although it has been misfolded at some point in the past, and I'm not going to try to fix that right now because, as you can see, this is the manner in which it folds right up, and this is currently available now on my website, briandimambro.com. We're making videos now every day and posting them, so if you subscribe, you will be able to be the first to see them, and I'll be back very soon.